Discover your musical potential on Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn F minor chord. Okay guys, another easy chord for you, F minor. So you put your first finger as a small bar chord on the first 4 chords, on the first fret. Okay? And then you put your third finger on the 3rd fret, 4th chord. Okay? And that is your F minor. Now remember, when you press, to get the right sound here, the right pressure, you press your finger and then you put a little bit pressure towards the side, towards this line here. This is very important in order to have a good grip over the chords. And the 3rd finger, of course, is easy. And that's your F minor chord. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.